A lot of us pay attention to national news. We read the New York Times, we listen to big podcasts like Jon Stewart or Ezra Klein. And national issues, sure, they're important, but they're also not everything. And your local elections are a place where, one, they tend to be much less partisan. They tend to be based much more in the actual issues, and you have so much more power. So, ironically, local issues are where most of us don't know nearly enough. We don't even know who represents us in city council, in our state legislatures, um, in our local government. And getting involved in local politics is a way to make massive change and to really feel how much agency you really have in the world. And I cannot encourage you enough to get involved in local politics because you will see, in fact, there are real people involved, flawed, but also who are so grateful for your skills, so grateful for your attention and your involvement. And you can make an enormous difference in politics at the local level and making really positive change in your community or your state